Hello students, I hope all are doing good. So we'll start with a new chapter today. That is for grade 6, chapter number 4, more on MS PowerPoint 2007. So we'll see what are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. So here are the topics, that is creating and saving design template, applying slide transitions, applying animation, inserting tables, adding smart art, inserting hyperlinks, inserting action buttons, working with sounds and movies, customizing slideshow. Okay, so we'll see one by one all the topics in detail. So here I'll show you how to open the new PowerPoint slides. So click here on the Office button, then search here for Microsoft Office, then search for Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. So here this is a new slide presentation where you can create the slides. So but here I have already created one slide. I'll show you in this how to edit and make the changes. So creating and saving design template. So first one, see here you can add the slides like this. Then go here in the home tab. Here in the design tab, you have the different design templates already built in. So many of you have the built-in designs. If you want, you can choose them. Otherwise, if you want, you can create your own theme or the own design. You can insert the images and create the background and save it. While saving this, if you want to save it as a template, here in the save option, when you click on save, the presentation will save. Click on save as, then here in the save as type you need to change it to the template. See the PowerPoint template .potx. The templates, if you design your own template, then you need to save it in the format PowerPoint template. That is, the extension will be .potx, where you can use it for your future use. So right now, I'll, if you want, you can change the theme. See here. So if you select like this, it will be applied to all the slides to your of your presentation. So like this, you need to change the designs. The next one, the next we have is applying slide transitions. See here in the animations, you have the transition to this slide. See here. Here, if you click drop down, you have the more transition slides. So click on the slide. So whichever transition you want, double click on that. Click on the slide, take the transition. Click on this slide, double click, double click. First slide will take something more. Okay, apply. So like this, different transitions can be applied to different slides. So, and when you save this, see here. See, when you take the slideshow, the slides, the transition is applied here. Okay. So likewise, you need to apply the transitions. See here in this drop down arrow, you have more options for the transitions. So whichever you want, you can select for your slides. The next is applying animation. Right. Next is applying animation. So here see animation. Now animate, no animation is there. You want, select any one of the animation. Wipe out, wipe in, fly, custom animation. Okay. Here you get the different types of animations: add effect, entrance, emphasis, exit, motion paths. So four types are there. So whichever you want, you can select and choose the type of animations you want. Checkerboard, see here. This transition is applied to the slide, but animation is applied to the objects inside the slide. That is, if you insert any picture or anything or the text, see here. Now this, for this, if you want, you can insert here emphasis, change font style. See here, the font style is changed. When you apply play, see here, it is applied here. Now I had clicked here. No, see now next, for the next slide I'll apply add effect, entrance, fly in. See like this. So when you play, it is, see here, animation is insert applied to the objects inside the slide. So next we have is inserting tables. We'll see here. Now I have taken a blank slide. Here in the center, here you have the options. Otherwise, in the insert tab, click here on the table. Here you get to select the number of rows and columns you want. Otherwise, click here on the option insert table. So here you can mention the size of your table. See how many rows you want. For example, I'll make it to columns. I'll make it to 4 columns. And rows, how many rows you want? I'll make it 8 rows. Okay, see here, 1 2 3 4 columns, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. So here table styles also are there. Okay, if you click here, see different types of designs are already inbuilt. So if you want, you can change the design of your table. Understood? The next we have is adding smart art. Adding smart art. So to add smart art, again you click on the insert table. Here you have the option called smart art. Click on that. See here you have different types of smart art, that is list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramids. These smart arts is used in the presentation to show the levels of the uh, information. It is easy to show the hierarchy or any process. So here for example you can take the process cycle. Okay, so you want to show any step by step procedure. So first step this happen, then second step, third step. So you can add the text and the images here. Okay, so different types of transitions, smart art are available. So you can change it, the designs are already pre-built, available. So you can take and change your text. So next we have is, I'll delete this. Next we have is inserting hyperlinks. So hyperlink is what? For example, you have a text already inbuilt, given in the in your slide. So for example, when you use internet, anything information when you open, you will find the uh, text highlighted with blue color. So when you click on that, it will take you to the next page. So for this text only, I add the hyperlink, inserting hyperlinks. So click on insert, then in the link section here you have the hyperlink. Click on hyperlink and existing, add the address. So you need to add the address. So what I'll do is, for example, I'll take it from online. Google.com. I'll take Control C, and here I'll put the address. Paste www.google.com. Okay. Then existing file or web page, display text inserting hyperlinks. I click OK. See, now this is hyperlinked. So when the presentation slideshow, when you give, so when you click on this page, on this hyperlink, see, it will, the link will open the in the browser, the wherever you give the link. Understood how to insert the hyperlinks? Then next is inserting action buttons. So again, go in the insert table, insert tab. Then here you have the shapes. Here you can find the action buttons. So here you have the pre-built inbuilt action buttons. From those you can choose whichever you want and click and insert. So here you can give the, for this buttons you can give the hyperlink, you can give your address, so that whenever you click on this button, it will take you to that respective page. Okay. The next you have is working with sounds and movies. So click on insert tab. In the media clips group you have movies and sounds. So from sound, from your system or the inbuilt sounds, whichever are there, you can select the file of your sound and apply wherever you want to the slide. Same way you can insert any videos you want. If you want to insert a video in your presentation, then you click media from file and you can select the videos and insert it into your slide. The next you have is customizing slideshow. What is customizing slideshow? You have different types of slideshows to show. So slideshow, here you have custom slideshow. See, here different types of slideshows are there. From beginning you can start, otherwise whichever the slide you are, from there you can start the slideshow. Then custom slideshow. See, yes, slideshow, resume slideshow. You will get the button. The slideshow will be resume. So if you want, you can start it, or you can start whichever the slide you are. I hope everyone has understood all the topics. Okay, so you try creating a PPT presentation and apply all the options available in the presentation, like design it in the different themes. Okay, apply the animations and transitions. If you want, you can insert the sound and music. Okay, so try and prepare one presentation. Okay, thank you.